Welcome to Bentley Motors. I'm David Hayward. I'm the Operations and Projects Manager for the Bentley Design Studio.
My name is Kevin Baker. I work at Bentley Motors. My job here is I'm in charge of the design modelling function here, which basically means that all the design models that we have here in Bentley, my responsibility to deal with. One of the latest technologies that we have is the rapid prototype system, which allows us to develop things in a totally new way. That goes from small scale models to a full-size model that you see here today.
The accuracy of the machine also gives us the ability to take a full-size part and scale it down to a 1/10 scale. Once we have approval at 1/10 scale, we can then move on to our larger production machines to be able to produce 1/3 scale models and also full-size parts. The advantage of going to the larger machine is that we've got the ability to use multi-materials within the same printing process. So we can go from a rigid plastic through to a clear and then finally up to a ABS material. That gives us the ability to support parts being made for the other engineering functions. We also have the ability to produce rubber components as well, and there's a variety of tensile strengths that this gives us the ability to produce. Currently the machine is making some 1/3 scale wheel rims and tyres. An example of this is this part. So this is a 1/3 scale tyre that will eventually be used within a 1/3 scale model. We've put designs for the actual glassware itself and the decanter. Again, with this machine, we could produce those in clear. There's a number of parts that we can make on the multi-material machine that we have. One of the ones that we do on a fairly regular basis is the tailpipe trim. We can reproduce grills, mouldings, headlamps, door mirrors, and every part that we see on the car that is either used on the interior or the exterior. A design intent production model.
We can simulate what the car is really going to look like. This is how the technology is moving forward. What we're really showing our bosses is absolutely reality.